What is up, you guys? Pete DeCarlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and today we're going to be going over PayPal. We've been following PayPal for a while now. If you guys remember, we were calling PayPal when it was at $200, but that dropped down to $150. They just had earnings yesterday, not so hot, and we're going to go over where I see PayPal going, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check out our Discord. It's completely free. Link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live stream seminars, webinars, as well as the best unusual options bot. This is a $200 a month bot that you guys get completely for free. It's our way of saying thank you for all of the support over the past year. You guys get access to free heat maps, dark pools, unusual flows, and all of the best tools out there. Now, earlier this morning, some people were asking me about PayPal, asking if I thought that we're going to end up seeing a bounce, if I thought that we're going to see a move back up. And ultimately, I said no. I said probably we're going to end up seeing PayPal probably drop somewhere down to 120. I said we will see a drop to 120. This is at 9:28 a.m. today when someone asked me what are the thoughts on PayPal. And so far it's looking that way. And we'll talk about why I saw that happening. And if you guys have been watching the videos for the past couple of weeks on this, you probably already know why. But looking at this weekly chart, the first support we had was all the way up here at $180. We had this inverse cup and handle, snap through support, and the support that we were talking about for a while and why we were calling $150 support is because of the 200 SMA. 200 SMA, with how thin the volume is here on this volume profile, was extremely important because that's the only line in the sand that we have as a major support. Since we have snapped that, there is no volume until we hit 120, maybe 116. So when we break the support and we have low volume below it, what does that mean? A quick and painful drop. And you can see there is no volume, there is no buying pressure until we get back down to $120. Now, at $120 here is where we start to see some real volume. Between 120 and 80 is massive volume. This is an old resistance from about 2 years ago. July of 2019 is the last time we saw this. It was a triple top breakout. So I think that we are at least going to fall down to 120. Now, long term, is 120 a good price? I think 120 is great if you're looking at the next 5 years. The next levels to watch would be if we snapped $120, we would probably drop all the way down to 80. And I don't think we would snap 80. That's where point of control is on the weekly chart. And I don't think there's any way that we would break that. But so far, I mean, this is moving exactly how we had expected. I think this will move down to $120. But the biggest piece of advice I can give you guys is please don't try to catch a falling knife. Don't try to time a bottom. I really want you guys to understand the importance of that. Look at PayPal last earnings, right? Let's not even look at when it was trading at 300 and died to 230. Let's just look at last earnings. If it dropped from 230 last earnings down to $200 and you would have, quote, bought the dip, look at how much it continued to drop. Even before earnings dump yesterday, we still dropped 13%. And now you would have bought last earnings, you're down 35%. So the biggest piece of understanding that I want you guys to have as somebody who's been trading for nearly a decade now full time is like, just because something is beaten up doesn't mean it has to bounce. I really want you to understand that. And that is something that took me a while to really, truly understand, is that just because something is down massive doesn't mean it has to bounce and doesn't mean it has to recover. Even a massive company such as PayPal. So I hope this video helps, guys. I'll continue to monitor the situation for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below any videos you guys want me to go over. And as always, guys, please use proper risk management. I'll see you later.